Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. I'm back with another video, and this time it's one of my favorite category of products. I love lip products, but one of the most essential lip products is a lip balm, and I love lip balms and I love collecting lip balms, specifically lip balms that feel very good on the lips and that smell really nice, because that's something, especially even if you're in the home, that's something you'll wear almost every day. So lip balms are extremely crucial, and I feel it is one of the most essential lip care items that we all need for our lips. Part of our skincare regime also on an everyday basis. Lip balms are mostly the most used lip product. I'm wearing it currently as well. Sometimes I even head out wearing just a lip balm. My top four that I always have, and I keep changing and I keep wearing one of these for sure. So yes, I have four lip balms here with me, which I wanted to share with you guys. My top four lip balms. So guys, these are the four lip balms that I'm going to be taking you guys through. I feel like until I wear a lip balm, I don't feel good about my lips. Moisturize your lips, they take care of your lips, and your lips are of course always in the pink of health when you wear a lip balm. Without further ado, let me take you through four of my favorite lip balms, and all four of these guys are available on Amazon. I actually ordered them from Amazon because I literally get the best price possible. Starting off with the lip balm that I'm wearing, I'm actually going to do a try on as well, so you guys can actually see how the lip balms look on me. Starting off with this beautiful lip balm that I'm wearing right now. It has been with me for years now. I think it's been 5-6 years, and in every holy grail product video or favorites video, this is a product, or even a makeup routine video, you have seen this product immense number of times, and I still swear by it, love it, and I'm so happy that it's finally available in India. It was earlier not, so I used to call for it from Dubai, or if anyone's traveling, I used to call for this from there. But it is finally is available in India, and it is launched in 4 flavors, and it's from one of the most iconic brands, which is Vaseline. So yes, you can't go wrong when it comes to balms. You can't go wrong with Vaseline, and that is why my number one favorite lip balm is the Vaseline Rose Lips. I have been using this for so many years that, I mean, this is one of my top favorite. It nourishes the lips very well, smells amazing, because of course it's a rosy flavored lip balm. It's called the Lip Therapy with Rose and Almond Oil. This is how it looks. It is amazing, guys. I feel this gives the most amazing tint to my lips. So it's like it has a slight pinkish tint to it, which I feel is absolutely amazing. It is slightly soft and greasy, which is what I love about it. I don't like very hard lip balms. I like things that are little molten, because then your lips are really like shiny, and I think they look really good. So right now, while I did like a really basic BB cream and blush kind of a thing for this video, as you can see, I only have this on, but it does give like a slight pinkish tint to it. So this is my number one. I think it stays on for a long time. Your lips feel very soft and smooth after wearing this, and I mean, the moisturizing of this lip balm stays for a very long time. Currently it's priced at $6.49 on Amazon. There are 4 different flavors in this, so you can check it out and order whichever one you like. Guys, the best part is that this little tub here lasts me such a long time. I carry it everywhere, easy to carry, easy to apply. I used to not like to use my fingers for this, but then you can use a earbud as well and wear your lip balm. My lips have always been in the pink of health since the time I've been wearing this. Love it. I highly recommend you to try this. Okay, so this is my original lips with no lip balm on. I've just removed the Vaseline Rose Lips because I want to show you the next lip balm. The next one is, oh my gosh, a recent favorite. It's good. It's been about 6-8 months. I've never used an oil-based lip balm before, but I love trying out natural and organic skincare products, and I was introduced to this brand called Ras. So guys, I'm talking about the Ras Oso Luxe Liquid Lip Balm. Okay guys, I am in love with this because I'd never used a gel, this kind of a liquid lip balm before. I was introduced to this, and since the time I started using this, I am in love. So first let me show you how it looks. So I have nothing on my lips right now. Can you see? Oh my god, I love this. It feels like I've put some oil on my lips. So that is exactly how it's supposed to feel with this lip balm. I absolutely love how this feels on my lips. The kind of nourishment this gives my lips. Firstly, very easy to apply because it's very liquidy. It feels really lightweight and amazing on the lips because it's a natural and organic brand. You feel really good that you're using absolutely authentic and good products that are farm fresh products. The power of precious oils and potent botanicals. Guys, this is actually enriched with cocoa butter, shea butter and essential oils. So of course the ingredient list is absolutely delicious. You know, your lips don't feel sticky at all, yet this stays on for a long time, and it really smoothens out the lips, moisturizes the lips in case you have chapped lips. It helps in lightening the skin tone of the lip. It moisturizes it very well. So my lips really have felt absolutely amazing after using this. So I highly recommend the RAS Osolux. This is the plain one. They have the tinted ones as well, and I have tried them as well, and they're also amazing. But if you're looking for a classic lip balm, must try the RAS lip balm. Currently this is priced at $557 on Amazon. The prices change, there are discounts, so you have to keep an eye. So let me get rid of this so that we are ready for the next. Okay, now that we have this off, I'm going to move on to the next very critical lip product, because I feel like since the time I started using this also, I've seen a big change in my lips, and that is, oh, I love this so much, and I love the whole tub and all of this. This is the Laneige lip sleeping mask in berry flavor. This has to be part of my lip products list because it's again one of my absolute favorite in my nighttime skincare routines. This particularly, guys, I highly recommend for your night skincare regime because this is a sleeping mask, but sometimes me and my husband both in fact use this even in the day as well. For best results, it's recommended to use this in the night, but you can also use it in the day, guys. So this is a little thickish lip sleeping mask. It's in the berry flavor, so it smells absolutely divine. There's a lot of strawberry in this. Very highly recommended for good healthy lips. I'll just show you how it is. It is a little thickish, as I mentioned, and so can you see? Wow, I love my lips when I use this. A, they smell so good, so it is anyway very good, but B, because it has like a thick, it becomes like a little thickish, soft thick layer on the lips, which is very protecting. So if you're at home, you can wear it even in the day or in the, night, of course, most important, because when you wake up your lips are like luscious lips, but even in the day I feel like you can use this. Guys, this feels divine. It protects your lips, it lightens the lips, it softens the lips, it's moisturizing. It's one of the best lip products again I've ever used. Absolutely love this. Highly recommend you to try this out. The fact that it's thick, but it's not very hard to use. It's very soft. Me and my husband actually have two of these. He has a separate one and I have my separate one because he loves it so much. I love it so much. Currently this is priced at 500 rupees on Amazon. This is an 8-gram tub. Great price. I feel like for 500 these products really last a very long time. This is how the product is. There's a lot of product in it. They last very long because you use really pinch of it. All these lipsticks and all also have chemicals, so I anyway first use a lip balm and then put on any lipstick. While I don't put so much lip balm before a lipstick, but a little bit always before I start my makeup, so that at least there's some level of protection for my lips before I add on any makeup. I'm telling you guys in no order, guys, because all of them are my favorite. These are my top recommendations, and it depends on you what you're looking for in terms of texture, in terms of flavor, or in terms of usage. So when you use this in the night, the most important step of using this is actually when you use it in the night before sleeping. It actually melts the dead skin cells and makes your skin really smooth and elastic once you sleep wearing this. So in the morning your lips will actually be much more elastic and smooth, which is very important. Must have this added to your night sleeping routine. I actually add it in my day as well. Moving on to the last lip balm. See, I'm removing this and there's still residual left on it. That's what the Laneige lip mask is. There's a lot of residual left even when I've removed it using a makeup remover. Okay, now it's gone. So yes, it took me a while to remove this because the layer is thick. Moving on to the last one, and I have again finished a lot of these. When I started buying lip balms, I read in a lot of these recommended reviews and bestsellers about this brand called Bird Bees, which actually uses bee wax for their lip balms. It's like 100% natural, and I'm all for 100% natural lip balm. This is the strawberry flavor moisturizing lip balm by Bird Bees. This is obviously like a stick lip balm, and this is how it looks. It's very smooth. So if you're looking for another natural lip balm recommendation, this is the last of all of my favorite lip balms. But this comes in a lot of flavors. There's a natural one also, there's a peppermint one also, I think there are mint ones also, but I personally am a berry person. You can see I have all rosy and strawberry kind of flavors in my lip balms. You can see how my lips look. It's a very natural kind of, it's not tinty at all of them are actually very natural. It's really nice. So if you don't like putting your finger in a lip balm and want a stick one, this is a good option to have. This is a 100% natural lip balm with antioxidant vitamin E, and it has a lot of benefits. It's one of the best sellers everywhere. The brand is basically known for its lip balm, so it's a very, very popular brand to have, and it's easily available now in India and obviously available on Amazon. The Bird Bees lip balm is actually priced at $5.99 currently on Amazon. This also hydrates and smoothens the lips very well. It has sunflower seed oil, it has coconut oil, it has castor oil. So yes, very, very good. It's enriched with a lot of amazing oils, and it's natural, and it's got bee wax. It's very, very important for that beautiful smile that your lips are actually well taken care of. They're smooth, they are a little shiny and luscious, and that'll happen only if you use a nice lip balm. So I order all of these from Amazon only because I literally get the best price, and of course the deliveries are super quick, and these are all great brands that are easily available on Amazon. You name a product and it's easily available on Amazon. And Amazon is of course one of my most favorite places to order all my favorite products. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video, and I hope this video was helpful, especially in this winter time. Lip care is very important. Dryness is bound to happen, so a good lip balm is going to be really helpful. I will link them down below. I wanted to let you guys know that Amazon is coming up with a really big sale. The dates are yet to be announced, but I would recommend you guys to wishlist your favorite products so that at the moment the sale is announced, you can buy your favorites at that time at a very good price. I will link all of these down below for you guys to see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.